Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi guys, welcome back to another fun makeup tutorial. Today's special is a rocking festive look to wear this season.
And if you want to keep watching our amazing beauty tutorials and looks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I'm starting this makeup look with a primer. This step will ensure that your makeup stays on for longer, giving you a smooth base for makeup. Let me tell you this, a job of a foundation is to even out your skin tone. So never go for a foundation that's lighter than your actual skin tone because that will make you look ashy. If you mistakenly bought a foundation shade that's darker than your skin tone, don't worry. We hate to see any makeup product go to waste. So the simple hack is to use as a contour shade. Next, use a concealer to fix any spots, dark circles or pigmentation. Blending is a big deal guys, so do that properly. Here are 3 easy steps to achieve perfect brows. Brush, line and fill. You can use our eyebrow shaper to fix your brows in a jiffy. Now don't forget to set that base with a powder, otherwise the makeup will start creasing. Natural pink cheeks? Oh yes, that's what you'll be telling everyone. But we know the secret. Shh, that's a blush. Time to start the eye makeup. Start off by applying a brown shade. And slowly intensify it with a black shadow. Top it off with a shimmery shade to glam it up. Apply some brown and black shade on your lower lash line. And go for your favorite colored kohl. We are Team Blue. Use some black kohl towards the outer corner and smudge it, giving a soft winged look. Highlight your brow bone and inner corners to enhance your eyes. Time to apply some black liner. Apply some liner on your lids as well and smudge it out. Mascara is truly a girl's best friend. Use it to see the difference. And get your glow game on point with a highlighter. Apply some mist to seal the whole makeup. Trust us, it won't budge now. Now apply your favorite combo of lip shades to create these ombre lips. We are going for nude shades to complement this stunning eye makeup. Hello Diva!